Arrays tend to be kind of an interesting subject because it's not a variable like an int or a float. It's not one constant thing. Now you can set it up to be constant, but it's not like one variable. It's a bunch of variables. It's a set of variables. So in this example, we're going to look at odd and even and storing it in an array. So I got a dice. And what I'm going to go ahead and do is just roll the dice. 5 is odd. So there's my first result. Oops. Got 5 again. Oops. This might be a loaded die. 1. 1 is odd. Five. Oops. 6. Even. Well, that was an interesting take. So we can store our values in an array. And this is very useful because we can go back. We can do what's called iterating through the array. So if I wanted to count the number of red, I'd check, is this spotted red? If it is, I'd increment my temporary variable. So my variable starts out at 0. I'll do a 1. And I'll check the next spot, 2. Next spot, 3. Next spot, 4. This spot, nope, so it stays 4. You can also do comparisons. So let's go ahead and create another one of these. So I'm going to create a brand new array. And with arrays, you notice you create space first. So you say how big it is so you know how many storage containers you're going to create. Let me go ahead and roll my dice. 3. 5. 3. 6. 1. Now if we compare these, we can see we get the same number of red. So same number of red, same number of blue. That's quite a coincidence. But they're different. You can see which one has the longest string of red ones. This one has 4 in a row. This one only has a string of 3. So this one's different. So not only do you have the variables, but you also have the position of the variables, which makes it different. And you can do all sorts of data analysis on arrays where you iterate through. So you can use a for loop if you know the size. And basically you start out at 0, so all arrays start at 0. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So the blue one on this one is at position 3.